In this short video series, I'm sharing our experience from Project Access and how our work with participatory design got impacted by the pandemics of 2020. In this particular video, I'm going to be talking about the kind of basic setting where we were starting and what we thought we were going to do. In short, Project Access is an interdisciplinary and transnational project which focuses on fostering of digital literacy among older adults. It brings together work of multiple researchers from countries such as Germany, Italy, Austria, Finland, but also at a German institute in Japan. It also varies in the disciplines that are involved, more specifically pedagogy, gerontology, HCI, special education, psychology, science and technology studies, and policy studies. At the University of Siegen, we are particularly focusing on fostering digital literacy through involvement of older adults in participatory design. The key questions that guide our work are how to support older adults in meaningful participation in participatory design projects. What does participation with older adults in online spaces actually mean? And how to engage communal actors in fostering digital literacy of older adults. The kind of more practical, concrete goal of our project was then to develop a mobile demo kit. This demo kit was supposed to be a set of learning resources which would help people to understand what is possible to do with digital tools, regardless of their age. The demo kit was supposed to be a physical object that we wanted to present in public spaces and engage public audiences with it in order for them to learn. Empirically, we started with the recruitment of our participants through local communities of older adults. More specifically, we reached out to a local senior computer club with whom we have collaborated before, as well as another group of adults which has been established during another research project. Reaching out to local established social networks is a key aspect in our project, and the plan is to embed our findings and results into these networks, so that even though when the project is over, the findings can keep on being used. We also started to conduct participatory observation in the local computer club to kind of understand the local needs better. This was an interesting activity to engage with because on one hand, we went there to understand the context better, but we also became a very important resource and also required resource for the senior club and the older adults. Next step was then to plan to organize a series of participatory workshops during which we wanted to introduce a range of devices to older adults. But what happened instead, you're going to find out in the next video.